Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. It is the original one and I got this from Korea, so I'm going to be talking about what are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product. It is the best-selling product in Korea and it also melts away the stubborn sunscreen, makeup, the buildup of the day and removes it flawlessly. So when I was opening the product, I opened it like recently. I did see the packaging is really well done. It is packaged in a plastic tube and even it has a plastic wrap. It is like twist and open, and when you twist it, you see that there is like a nice covering to improve the shelf life of the product. And the product itself is such a thick consistency that they also provide you with a scoop that you need to use to take out a little bit of product that is necessary. I was using my own scoop because I have some scoops dedicated for single particular ingredient products because I don't like to mix the scoop with every ingredient and every product. It just is not right because it just reduces the shelf life of the products. I was just taking as much product as required. The product itself melts with the heat produced by our body and then it glides really well on the face. So when I rubbed it against my hand, I could see that it was melting in like 2 to 3 seconds. It was just the heat generated by my body. And then I tested it removing the makeup that I was wearing. Usually I don't wear like extremely heavy makeup. I like to wear like very light makeup. So my intense makeup is near my eye area, my mouth, because I wear lipstick. But if this balm could remove this, that is like a really achieving balm. Then I just took a little bit of product and then I rubbed it against my palm and then applied it on my face. I gently massaged it in circular motion to remove the heavy makeup built near my eye area, then my mouth, and also I targeted on my face. I could see that when I was rubbing it, it was removing the makeup and it was doing a very good job at it. And I was really impressed by this product, and when I washed my face, it had completely removed my makeup and there was no like oiled build up after even washing the face. This is maybe because of some of the surfactants present in this formulation. So now we're gonna talk about the ingredients. The first ingredient is ethyl exyl palmitate. Now this is a comedogenic ingredient and it is in a very higher amount. And I was really surprised that they added this one because it's an emollient, it's a texture enhancer, and it gives that nice finish to the skin after you remove the makeup. It doesn't leave any transepidermal water loss, so it is kind of a good ingredient if you have a dry skin type. For oily skin types, please don't use it, or even if you have acne, because it is just gonna promote your acne and then clogging of the pores because it is a comedogenic ingredient. When I smelled it, I do feel that there is fragrance in it, and when I checked the ingredient list, I did see that there is fragrance but in a higher amount. But when I was applying it on my face and removing it, I really didn't feel the fragrance, but it's just like the scent from different plant ingredients that is present here. It is also having tocopherol acetate, which is a vitamin E, helps with the antioxidant property and removal of the free radical. There are different humectants like butylene glycol, 1,2-hexanodenol, and these help with the humectant property as they help to hold the water and penetrate into the skin, hence hydrating the skin. When I was using this, it was really good feeling. I was like removing it and I could see that it is kind of like a foam-like consistency. It was getting whitish in color when I was rubbing it on my face. Maybe this product also had like surfactants, and when I was checking the ingredient list, I didn't actually find any sort of surfactant. Maybe the ingredient list that is online doesn't show it, but when you apply it on the face, it makes like a milky consistency, and then when you wash it off, it just comes off easily. That doesn't happen with the emollients usually, because emollients does need another layer of the foaming cleanser to get rid of all the dirt. But here it was like very straightforward and you didn't have to do a lot of effort to remove the makeup. It did remove. It does have numerous plant extracts, so I would recommend to do a patch test before you apply it on the face. I did do the patch test. I waited for 72 hours and then I did apply it on my face. This is how you need to test if any ingredients is like allergic to your skin or it's irritating your skin. If you directly apply it to the face, then it will turn red. So be careful about doing a patch test about any particular product that you buy from the shop or from the cosmetic world. You need to always do a patch test. This is like a must. In my opinion, I think the Clean It Zero is excellent cleansing balm, but I'm not a huge fan of fragrance. And it also has numerous plant extracts, and it says that it has fragrance, but when I did smell it, I do feel like there is like, plant extract smells, but it's very subtle. So I'm really confused. Is it like the plant extract smell or is it the actual fragrance? But in my opinion, I don't give it a bad rating, but I do feel that it shouldn't have been formulated with fragrance. So I'm not a big fan of fragrance, as if you have been watching my videos, you know. So I think I would recommend it for the people who are looking for a cleansing balm and they want to use it like once a week just to, effortlessly to remove all the makeup. Then I think this one will do a very good job. If you have a dry skin type, then I would suggest it for you, normal to dry skin type, but it is not made for normal to oily or acne prone skin, as it has high amount of comedogenic ingredient. So yeah, please do try it out and tell me what are your opinions about it, if you like this product or not, in the comment section below. And if you really like this video, make sure that you share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.